So yeah, for those out there watching, I say that term that says built, not bought. This is one of those. What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today we're going to be installing the transmission on the car. We have only different thing here is clutch fan is on. I installed the wastegates, both of them. That's it. I'm gonna show you basically how to install a transmission with just on jack stands. It's pretty fun. I've done it myself a couple times. All right. What's up, guys? We're here under the car getting ready to mount the 6-speed. Here it is over there. Basically, I'm not sure if anybody's done like this before. I don't really use a Chinese stand because there's really not much space for it down here. I mean, I'm guessing if you're in a lift, but you know, doing this at home, kind of backyard type of thing. So basically I just pretty much lay it flat on my belly and just pop it up in there. And you know, sometimes it goes in the first try, sometimes you know you gotta wiggle it around depending on how it falls. So we'll see. Let's set it up on the tripod so you guys could see. All right, here we go.
Moving up.
You know, my buddy Kevin calls this the Cuban way of installing the transmission, but hey, as long as it works, fine by me. I honestly, the only thing I had to get up for was I forgot to tilt the motor just a little back so it could be angled with the transmission. If not, it would have gone in on the first try. Well, technically it didn't go on the first try, but it would have been easier. Yeah, she made me break a sweat this time. But it had been a while since I hadn't. It's been a couple months that I haven't put it on. So yeah, for those out there watching, I say that term that says built, not bought. This is one of those. I could stand by those. I mean, by that statement. Just makes it more worthwhile at the end, you know? More of an accomplishment. All right, so you guys can look here. The mount or cross member is on. One of the main ones on the side on. This one over here on. And that's it. Now it's just line up the disc and finish bolting it up. And that's it. Chinese on. Then of course, dry shaft, shifter. But you know, that's all cake. What's going on, guys? Just finishing up here the final touches on the drivetrain. Got the dry shaft that's gonna go in now. Let's see here. Got the clutch all mounted and torqued down already. I'm gonna put in the slave now. The dry shaft. And that should be this. Should be the final thing for the bottom of the car. All right. What's up, guys? Welcome back for another clip. I want to give you guys an update of the car. We got the charge pipe on with the clamp. You see how that came out. The clearance here is perfect all around. It's a 4.5 inch clamp. The flange around the 4-inch pipe. It's dead center. Overflow can, radiators installed. Got the front CCWs on, the wheel covers on, or wheel liners, whatever you call them. What do we got here? I'm gonna start installing the fenders now. I have the MAC valve to extend the cable, and oh, that's right, the oxygen sensor for the downpipe. You know how it has that black square plug there? I honestly don't want that in my engine bay, so I'm gonna extend it and have the plug right under the wheel, under the firewall, behind the firewall area. I don't want it around there. So yeah, guys, that's just a heads up. Got a new gauge for the fuel pressure regulator. And that's it. After we're done with the fenders and we'll most likely finish putting off the bumper and hood, get that all aligned, and then we'll start working our way inside the interior. And that's it. She should go back for a final buff, and she should be done. How you guys feel about the wingless? Thinking about leaving it like that for a couple weeks, see if it grows on me, but looks okay. All right, guys. Installed one. I have my uncle helping me out because, you know, this, if anybody's done it before, it's very, I mean, well, I guess on a regular car it doesn't matter, but on a freshly painted one, you want to be careful with the paint. So you want to be very careful so you don't scratch it over, and kind of to align it, so you can get that perfect alignment with the door. I'm gonna set up the time lapse now so you get to see the other side at least. Alright guys, here's a final shot for this video. I was here for a couple hours lining up these fenders and the hood. I think I got it down pretty packed now. These, I noticed I put them on backwards. It's kind of late today already. Got to work tomorrow. I got to be up early, so I got to flip this around. I noticed this part is actually goes on the top side. But that's it, guys. She's looking more and more. She's looking more and more like herself again. So stick around for the next one. The car still needs a final wet sand and buff. So that's, you know, it's got a shine to it, but should look a lot better after it's done. All right, guys. Like always, thanks for the support. Like and subscribe to the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.